Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial is about removing the ransomware called NWOransom. This is the ransomware that we found on the VirusTotal database. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files, and will give you some recommendations on how to protect the files. Well, before the ransomware attack, you are able to open the files without troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, all other data can be opened without troubles. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this NWOransom ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. So then very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware encrypts the files and damages the files considerably. So it is then impossible to use the data. The ransomware would tell the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is obviously not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, so don't pay that ransom. Don't waste your money. So these are the results of the ransomware attack. The ransomware encrypts files and appends this sub to crypto NWO extension. It also reveals this ransom note. Once again, don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and then click on Start Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Also, the software would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. Combo Cleaner, though, does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt the files. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, based on the summary of threats, some of the infections can be removed manually, but I do recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium. With Premium license, your files would always be protected against all other possible malware or ransomware attacks. So wait until the scanning has been successfully finalized. You can upgrade to Premium and you can request for the fully functional free trial to evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. And speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to protect your data.